Are you looking for the best grip football gloves? Here we will break down the top 5 best grip football gloves on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. EliteTek RG14 Super Tight Fitting Football Gloves. These football gloves provide a natural experience without the heat and the bulkiness. If you're looking for a pair of gloves that feel like your second skin without making your fingers feel numb, then this is the product for you. That said, these receiver gloves are perfect for ball handling positions. EliteTek RG14 also has tack covered. These gloves feature the EliteTek's signature GripTech Palms technology that not only promises better grip but also consistent performance no matter what the weather or the surface. Additionally, these football gloves are also NOCSAE certified, making them an attractive viable option as professional and youth football gloves. At number 2. Under Armour Men's F6 Football Gloves. If you're looking for a pair of affordable football gloves, the Under Armour Men's F6 is one of your best bets. The materials used to construct this pair of gloves is a combination of PSP, silicone, and polyester. It also includes Under Armour's HeatGear fabric to keep sweaty palms cool and dry throughout an intense game of football. This specific fabric is built to wick sweat and makes the gloves dry really fast. With its super sticky Armour Grab Tack Palm, this particular pair is best used as receiver gloves. This patented material maximizes the football glove's stickiness to provide extra support and promote maximum catchability for the player. Instead of a wrist strap, these receiver gloves also have a custom-fit closure system to provide a seamless fit for the player. It's known for being comfortable and flexible when used in the field. Most customer reviews indicate that it truly does fit like a glove, along with looking stylish. Plus, football players praise it for enhancing their ball control on the field. It ultimately boosts their confidence during gameplay. At number 3. Under Armour Boys F5 Football Gloves. These gloves are made out of the lightweight HeatGear fabric, which will keep little hands cool and dry. Made with breathability and moisture transport in mind, this pick from Under Armour will provide the comfort and flexibility that will encourage kids to keep them on. The super sticky Grab Tack Palm will help young players catch and handle the ball easily. These gloves meet NFHS, NCAA, and NOCSAE standards. Their custom-fit closure system provides a perfect fit every time. At number 4. Nike Football Glove VaporJet 5.0. Nike has always been popular in the market when it comes to protective gear and apparel. This is because Nike has always made it a point to include the latest in sports protection technology in all of the products they produce. Nike's latest football glove styles have the advanced palm material that delivers solid grip and long-lasting durability. The Nike Jet football gloves that can definitely be the best option for those who are seeking for an all-white, durable football gloves with good design and strikes fear into your opponent. At number 5. Lycos Gears Joker Receiver Youth Football Gloves. These are favorite football gloves that have been designed for all. The variable sizes of these units mean that they serve both younger and older players. Second to this, the gloves have laminated silicone ultra grip palms that provide sticky comfy hold for easy catching of balls. To add more, they also have adjustable wrist straps so that you can move the unit for a better custom fit. The straps are elementary to wear and take off, making them exceptional selections. They also feature advanced tech stitching to guarantee prolonged service. They are thicker and comfy gloves that are budget-friendly and, therefore, great gloves that you should consider. They are great gloves that have been designed to serve all users. Besides this, they are also budget-friendly units to consider.